My name's Ryan Lloyd. I'm studying the agricultural chemical skill set via online digital TAFE. My video assessment today for applying chemical. So we have our mixture of 75 millilitres of David Gray's Dart, Bindi and Broadleaf Lawn Weed Killer in 7.5 litres of water.
My selected weed to control by spraying is commonly known as Bindi, Bindi or Jojo.
I have my PPE, my Cat 3 cover overalls, my rubber PVC gauntlets, my eye protection, my sun hat, washable hat and steel cap waterproof boots. In the SDS and label, the respirator is not required. However, I like to make it best practice when I'm spraying chemicals to use a respirator to avoid any unnecessary potential dramas. And before I begin to spray, I've taped off the area, the site, to stop any foot traffic from entering the site before the re-entry period expires due to the nature of the property. The wind direction and speed. The wind is coming from the northwest at a rate of 6 to 8 kilometres an hour, which is it's drifting away from the road area and from the sensitive area, which is garden, on the opposite side. So the conditions are favourable for me to avoid any spray drift onto sensitive area, which would be the road, to avoid any foot traffic getting into the spray cloud. It'll all be blowing back into the fence. The label also states that I should avoid exceeding application rates from overlapping in areas during spray. I have to take that into consideration as well.
While conditions are favourable in regards to wind speed and direction, I begin to spray close to the sensitive area, being the roadway, and allowing a small 1 foot buffer to eliminate any risk of runoff or spray mist to enter. Being not only a Bindi killer, the product is a selective broadleaf killer, allowing me to spray 100% of the grassed area while being careful not to exceed application rates from overlapping, to not only control Bindi but other broadleaf weeds such as clover.
So the wind has just picked up. It's swirling now in a swirling pattern from northeast, swinging back around behind me. I'm just waiting for the gust to die down before I continue spraying near the sensitive area, which is the garden. I'm still going to allow a buffer zone of about 1.5 foot, just so the spray doesn't get anywhere near any of the garden plants.
Yeah.
As the wind gusts have now dropped, I have adjusted the spray nozzle to allow droplets to be a little more coarse to eliminate potential spray drift. I will continue to monitor wind conditions as I go forward.